Good day, today we look at SweetAlerts and info boxes. We have written custom methods to call the SweetAlerts. We are able to ask for confirmation and show toasts. Using the VueSwal class, one is also able to build up their SweetAlert to meet their needs. Info boxes also provide a way to give users more content. These can have animated counters, prefixes and suffixes. A look behind the scenes. For the info box, we have created a custom view to use for our layouts. We load the layouts inside a Banano element. Here we show how we have set up the attributes for the info box.